The most important thing about the holidays, which I incidentally love, is family and connecting with family. And one of the things I always liked was, hearing stories of my great-great-grandparents and all of those things that people pass down, and you kind of wonder how much of it's really true. It's so important to know who you are, and you can only know who you are by knowing where you come from. And now it's right there.
What do we got here?
We have a leaf. When that little green leaf comes up, it's great. There's that moment you hit it and it kind of goes, pew! You don't know what it's gonna be.
Wait, click on that picture.
And inevitably, it's a clue to another mystery of your life. That's definitely him, but what an outfit.
The Lowe family bootleg legacy.
He wasn't a bootlegger, okay? But he dressed like one. At a touch of your finger, you can get all those stories. Margaret O. Groover, that's my grandma, Mim.
Now, do you remember her mom?
I do. I think we have a picture here. That's my great-grandmother, Olive. Her last name was Groover, but I couldn't pronounce it, so I called her Goober. And that stuck, poor woman. There's her dad.
What's going on here?
Hey, Johnny, we're looking at Griffith Owen. He's my great-great-grandfather. You're not just connecting with some tin-type photo.
All those photos are submitted by this Scott username.
Should we message him? I was able today to connect to a cousin I never knew that I had, only because he uploaded a photo. Hey!
There he is.
Wow.
You're on mute.
Oh, yeah, I am.
There he is. How you doing? It's Rob and Matthew and Johnny Lowe.
Good to meet you, John Scott.
What would we be, technically? Fourth cousins or something?
Griffith Owen is my 2 times great-grandfather.
Yeah, he's my 2-time great-grandfather.
There you go.
That's unbelievable. What's kind of moving about it is this is all run by people.
My parents, this notebook was in the front seat of the car so that we could stop at some place connected with family, and we would record all of the details that we could.
How many kids did he have? Is it 6 or?
He's got 9, actually.
Oh my God. What?
Busy man.
There's a portrait on Ancestry of him with his 9 kids.
I saw that. Is that an original?
Yeah, it's one of the originals. And there's a write-up from 1841 that my mother transcribed. She wrote it all out and then typed it up.
Griffith C. Owen was born on this farm. His parents were John P. and Sarah. Oh, this is the famous John from Wales. I'd heard about this guy. He was one of 2 brothers who left Wales because the conditions were so brutal.
If you go back and click on the documents that are associated with John Peter, you'll find his oath of allegiance, which lists that his brother came with him.
Right there. John Peter Owen, got it.
And here we are generations later, and I'm sitting with John Owen and his brother. And, I think about what their journey will be as brothers. You'd be Owen P. Owen, and you'd be John Owen.
Yeah.
And these are
I am John Owen.
The symmetry of history is a powerful, powerful, moving thing.
It makes me wonder what all these folks would be thinking if they knew this was happening.
This is the new campfire. This is the new place where we gather and we share and we talk and we remember and we discover.